Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, Patreon.com/ShadesandTrades for trade alerts. Ladies and gentlemen, Mara stock, M-A-R-A, lovely Mara, lovely Mara, as Ziv Trader you like to put it. This is another play that I have had my eyes on. There are so many stocks pivoting, so many businesses pivoting into AI, infrastructure, hyperscaler, etc., however you want to put it, because we do need the power. This one is one of the cheapest ones out there, $12.44, at least relative to Riot and CLSK. That's the comparison I'm making to when I say it's one of the cheaper ones, one of the cheaper plays. And they are, just like the other two, undergoing overhauls and pivoting into digital infrastructure. So, like I was saying about CLSK, this is a buy. You got to be patient with it. APLD stock did not shoot from $3 to 40s in a jiffy, right? I know a lot of people just want to buy a stock and immediately wake up and be rich, but APLD, great example, right? It did not go to 47s from $3. It did not make this move in a matter of days, not even a matter of months, not even a matter of weeks. Took over a year to make that kind of move. Over a year. So if you don't got patience, I don't know what you're in the markets for. If you want to get rich quick or lose quick, buy options, SPY, calls, 0 day to expiration, right at open, just slap it, and either it works out or it doesn't. You find out real quick whether the casino is going to give you money or not. Now, for those of us who are not idiots and gamblers, who are looking to make money and not completely blow up right away, because we're not greedy, stupid people, Mara stock is a buy. Giving it a buy rating with a sell target of 20, 25, 30, and then 50 longer term. I say longer term because I don't think it's going to go to 50 in the next hype cycle. I think it will go to 30. I think it can do that. It's done it before. Remember, this stock used to be, long time ago, Mara used to be at $70, I believe. Let me check. You got to go way back in time here. Yeah, it used to be at a high of $150. Holy crap, not even 70. Maybe I was thinking of another Bitcoin miner, but that is insane. It used to be at 150. Now it's all the way down at 12. So we know for a fact, without a shadow of a doubt, that this can make that kind of move over the long term. Again, it's not going to shoot straight up. Stop being greedy. Stop trying to get rich quick, and you will make more money. Funny enough. If you want to find out the hard way, go ahead and buy your options and hold 0DT SPY calls. Either it works out or it doesn't. In fact, you got NVIDIA earnings, as of this video at least. You got NVIDIA earnings coming up. Just buy NVIDIA calls or puts, bet to one direction, and hope. All right. Despite the 1.3 billion net loss, we know that this stock is making that transition to becoming a data center powerhouse. And we got plenty of catalysts underway for Mara stock specifically. And Mara, of course, is all in on pivoting into AI because they sold 1.5 billion worth of its Bitcoin. 1.5 billion. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. They sold 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So because they are really serious about pivoting here. They also retired 30% of their outstanding convertible senior notes due 2030 and 2031, and blah, blah, blah. This move completely wiped out a massive chunk of future dilution risk. Right now, analysts believe that Mara stock fair value is $16.48, but you know how they are. Their price targets tend to be very conservative. That's why I'm giving it a 20 to 25 to 30, because we know it can do that. You can look at the chart here. You can see it very clearly. You zoom out on the chart. Look at that. It went to 23.45, $30 last time, 34. Like, it can make the, here it went to 27, 30. This thing always, after a huge dump, it always loves to go back into that $20 to $30 range. And if you've been following this stock long enough, you know it can get very volatile in the 20 to 30s, right? You guys remember that when it could go up like $3 in one day, then down another $3. Like it gets so volatile once it gets into that 20 to 30 range. If you guys who have been following it a long time, like I have, if you know what I'm talking about, that thing gets crazy volatile once it gets into those ranges. And that is it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I give this stock a buy, hold for 20, 25, 30. Be patient and you will get paid. You will be rewarded. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys.
Take my chance. Risk is managed. I let it dance.